Got the Wi-Fi modem here, which emulates Hayes modem commands, but it's actually on the Wi-Fi network, which when this computer was built, it had no idea what Wi-Fi was. But let's type the modem commands. It's only at 300 baud right now, but here you go. Here is a computer from 1987 that is technically connected to the internet right now. Oh, I ticked it off. It doesn't like 300 baud, and I did not enter my name quickly enough. And this can support speeds much greater than 300 baud, but you have to tell it, what you want it to do. But more of this coming soon with better video quality, hopefully.